I enjoyed helping people, and I thought that was something that I would want to do. I was a prosecutor out of law school, and so that was a lot of fun. I liked the courtroom experience, and so I just loved being in court and being able to help people. I work out of the Madison office. Right now we have the Milwaukee office is the main office. In Madison we have 3 attorneys and like 15 support staff. So we've got a great location in Madison. We also have offices in Appleton and Green Bay and Gurnee. I was at a firm in Madison. I was doing corporate litigation, helping richer people get richer. And I didn't like that. It was, billion-dollar companies fighting over stupid stuff and, just frivolous sort of stuff. And I knew that isn't what I wanted to do. So then I did some personal injury work. The prosecution firm that I worked for, it was a law firm that contracted out with municipalities. So 80% of my practice was municipal prosecution and 20% was litigation. So that was my first kind of foray into personal injury law. I worked with a personal injury attorney, loved that work, but it was hard. It was hard to find a personal injury firm. So then once I moved to Madison, I was doing back to corporate litigation. But then I also did some insurance defense work, which that I very much disliked. And then I knew for sure, being on the other side of the table doing the insurance defense, I knew for sure I wanted to do the other side and represent the injured parties. With Harley Davidson here, I know our firm has done a wonderful job. It's one of the things that I really enjoy about working with Hupy and Abraham is, they recognize that motorcycle safety is a concern. There aren't people who are as aware to look out for motorcycles, especially with the presence of Harley Davidson here. Milwaukee, even in Madison and other parts of Wisconsin, there are motorcycles everywhere. And this firm does a great job of doing motorcycle awareness and recognizing that that's a concern. There are far too many motorcycle accidents, and so motorcycle safety is critical, and motorcycle awareness is very important. Well, I've got a motorcycle, so I love to ride my motorcycle, and I also do a pedal bike. I have a Klein bike that I use in the triathlons, and so I'll love to just get on the road and just bike. I can go for miles, and it's fun. It's just you get on, country roads in Wisconsin on a bike are just so much fun. You get on a desolate, country road, there isn't much traffic, and you can just ride, not have to worry about people passing you or coming the other direction, and so that's a lot of fun.